everyone and welcome to my channel, and the name of my channel is Nars Vlogs. If this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and comment below. For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to subtract fractions. And just like addition, you just have to remember these things. If the denominators are the same, you just have to copy it and subtract only the numerator. So let's have an example. What if we are subtracting 4/5 minus 2/5? So if you notice there, the denominators are the same. So just copy it and subtract only the numerator. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So that means 4/5 minus 2/5 is equal to 2/5. Another is, what if we are subtracting 5/7 minus 3/7? So just copy again the denominator and subtract only the numerator, which is 5 minus 3. That will give you 2. What if we are subtracting fractions having different denominators? Example, 4/5 minus 2/3. So just like addition, we can solve also that one using finding the LCM, or the common multiple of the denominator, or usually they call it finding the LCD, and by using the denominators to help each other's fraction by multiplying it. So I'm gonna show it to you. So let's try to find the common multiple of 5 and 3, and that is 15. And usually what other people do, or I usually do, is just multiply this one. If you notice, 5 times 3, that will give you 15. Then 15 divided by 5 and multiply there. So just have to remember that one. Divide and multiply. So 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 4 is 12. 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 2 is 10. So just copy the denominator, which is 15, and subtract only the numerator, which is 12 minus 10 is 2. So that means 4/5 minus 2/3 is equal to 2/15. Another is if by using, like when you multiply, you use this one to multiply here, and use this one to multiply it also on the other side of the fraction. So that means 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3, 15, minus 2 times 5, 10, 3 times 5 is 15. So copy the denominator and subtract the numerator. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Another example is, what if we are subtracting 4/7 minus 1/8 equals, so by using LCD or finding their common multiple, or you can just multiply that, 7 times 8, that will give you 56. Then 56 divided by 7 is 8 times 4, that is 32. Copy the subtraction sign. 56 divided by 8 is 7 times 1 is equal to 7. So just copy the denominator and subtract the numerator. 32 minus 7 is equal to 25. So that means 4/7 minus 1/8 is equal to 25/56. And be very careful with the answer. If you think that you can still simplify it, you have to simplify it in simplest form. If you think it's already in the simplest form, then just as is. Another way is by helping both the numerators to multiply the other fraction. So we'll use 7 here to multiply 7 here, and we'll use the 8 here to multiply 8 on this side. So 4 times 8, 32. 7 times 8 is 56. Minus 1 times 7, 7. 8 times 7, 56. So 32 minus 7 is 25/56. So as easy as that. The same with addition. when you are subtracting fractions, if the denominators are the same, you will just copy it and subtract the numerator. If the denominators are different, you still have to do it this way here. So find the common multiple of the LCD or find the equivalent fraction of the fractions so that you will have the same denominator already. And once you already found the having the same denominator, then that's the time you will subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So that's it for today, guys. I do hope you learned something from this math tutorial, and I'll see you again